Hi everyone, my name is Kristen Little. I'm the owner of Body Bronze Sunless Spa and also the creator of the Body Bronze Sunless Spa collection. I just want to briefly take you through kind of our products here. We have a exfoliation product, a pH balancing body wash, a daily use lotion, a bronzing lotion, and a touch-up spray. All of our products are vegan, non-comedogenic, which means they're not going to clog your pores. They're gluten-free and paraben-free. And today I just want to take a few minutes to talk to you about our Body Basics, which is our regular everyday use lotion. So this lotion is infused with extreme hydration for your skin. So it's got vitamins B12, B5, and E. It has a lot of organic extracts in it, and it's also sulfate-free. It's going to restore your skin's elasticity as it has an aloe vera base to it. This is a product that I use every single day, regardless of whether or not I'm spray tanned. The benefit of using it while you have a spray tan on your skin is it's going to supplement the dryness that can come from receiving a spray tan. DHA as an active ingredient can be drying to your skin, so we need to replace any moisture that might be lost from that DHA pulling some moisture out of your skin. This is the best product that we have ever created. And I use it non-stop, day in, day out. I use it as a night cream, I use it as my face cream, I use it in the morning and at night, and especially when I'm spray tan, so that I can make sure that that spray tan as it fades is not going to crack or fade in poorly or anything like that. So with this product, you can purchase it online on our website, which is bodybronze.com, or you can also come into the salon directly and purchase it here in the salon. If you have any questions, we would be more than happy to walk you through them. But the vitamin-rich supplements that are in this product are going to be fantastic for your skin and even better for your spray tan.